For Sunshine, building a content provider is just one part of managing weather data. And unlike the to-do list app, you won't be attaching your provider methods to the UI. Instead, you'll only code those methods in the Weather Provider class. And to make sure they're working correctly, you'll be testing them with Android test classes. Test classes let you see if a method or object is working like you expect it to, without the need for UI code and without any risk of crashing your app. These tests exist in a package that's separate from the main app package. And in the Sunshine exercises, you'll find test classes called Test URI Matcher and Test Weather Provider that you can run to make sure your code is working as expected. If your code is complete and you run these tests, Android Studio will give you a message saying you passed. But if something is wrong, like if you forgot to set a notification or returned an incorrect value, you'll get a message saying that a test has failed and why. And the feedback you get should help you go back and correct any minor coding errors. Professional programmers often rely on tests to make sure that their code is working every step of the way. So this is also an important skill to have. In the following text, you'll be given some short instructions on how to use the test classes provided in Sunshine. Then you can start building the weather provider.